How safe is knee replacement surgery? If we talk about statistics, knee replacement is the secondly most commonly done procedure these days, with a complication rate of less than 0.5%. So it is definitely a very safe and effective procedure these days. And at our institute, we make sure that every patient goes home happy and it is a successful knee replacement surgery. For the surgery, we start the preparations as soon as the patient decides for the surgery. We take into consideration the sugar, blood pressure, thyroid level of patient. We get these levels checked. And if patient is having high sugar or blood pressure, we start the medicine as soon as possible. During the procedure or before the procedure, we admit the patient and take into consideration patient's blood pressure and sugar very seriously. Also, we check patient's heart, lung, liver, kidney, every important organ before surgery by way of either blood test or sonography or echo, whatever is required. During the surgery also, to prevent blood loss, we use tourniquet that reduces the blood loss during the surgery, and hardly there is ever any need to give blood transfusion post-surgery. During the surgery, we keep senior anesthetist with us so that patient can be best monitored, and even the intraoperative and post-operative care is the best. We keep a separate ICU for all our knee replacement patients, where patients are kept for 24 hours after the surgery. Also, we take the problem of blood clot formation or deep vein thrombosis very seriously. So all our patients are started on blood thinning therapy just after few hours of surgery. Also, we give blood flow pumps to the patient, which are known as DVT pumps after the surgery. We mobilize our patients next day of the surgery, and for 2 to 3 weeks after the surgery also, we continue the blood thinners. Now, for pain control also, we are very aggressive about it. If many patients are concerned about pain post-operatively, so for that also we keep epidural catheter that takes away almost 70 to 80% of the pain, and patient is very comfortable after the surgery. It is a catheter that we put in the spinal area, which gives a medicine just at the required dose and at the right place, so that the pain sensations are stopped going to the brain. So this takes away the pain and the patient is very comfortable post-operatively. Now, some patients are concerned about the surgical result, about the post-operative pain or the persistent pain. So in such situations, nowadays we routinely use robotic knee replacement surgery. So robotic surgery helps us in putting the best implant in the best possible alignment so that that patient gets a pain-free life post-operatively. Rehabilitation is also faster, and the pain also goes away very quickly, and patient is able to get back to normal life. Also, in situations where somebody is having allergy to any implant, we use gold-plated implant if required. Otherwise, all our implants are US FDA approved, and we use only imported implants made up of cobalt chrome, so that there is almost no reaction post-operatively. Also, if somebody is concerned about the flexibility of the knee or bending movement of the knee after surgery, we use high flex knee if required, so that the patient can bend the knee to almost the full extent. Now, many patients are concerned about infection post-operatively. Infection on all our patients, we treat it very aggressively. Before the procedure itself, we take nasal swab, and we also take into consideration any urinary tract infection. If at all there is any urinary tract infection or any sign of infection, we even postpone the surgery, or when we admit the patient, we start the appropriate antibiotic accordingly. So after the surgery also, we do all aseptic dressings, we give antibiotic for the required period so that there is no infection post-surgery. Also, if you have any query related to knee replacement, you can send us your queries over WhatsApp number shown, and we'll be happy to help you in whatever way you want. Welcome. अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें।